What's up, guys? This is Trades by Dom. It is May 13th, Monday, 5:48. Markets just closed a little while ago. I'm here in my Top Step account, and man, oh man, this one chopped up. Um, this one was another prime example of overtrading. I got down a whole bunch, ended up working it all the way back up, was up positive like 500. Should have stopped there, but I was like, you know what? Nah, let me just see. Price action started getting good. Made two more trades, got up like 700, and then for whatever reason, just decided to level up and say, oh yeah, one mini, that's not enough. Let me do four. So, ended up hitting my daily drawdown, but prime example of why you don't want to sit there and size up whether you're winning or losing, because at that point you kind of set yourself up for failure. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the Top Step platform. They have a promo going on for a $19 combine for a 50K account if you use their Top Step platform. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. I like it a lot. I like how when you create an order, say you put an order in there and then it activates it gets filled. It shows you your P&L right here on the actual chart, along with where your take profit and stop loss is, so that way you can see the actual amount. So that's something that's pretty cool. It's been able to kind of like allow me to know like where I'm gauging myself, apart from the fact that I already started off with having an automatic $200 stop loss and a $400 take profit. So that's usually how my trades start off, and then if it gets to going, I'll adjust. I try not to move my stop loss past the 200 because that's already more than what I'm comfortable with allowing myself to lose. But yeah, let's get into it. So first trade of the day. So I'm be looking over here because I exported the information, so you can actually export your trades of the day or whatever from here. But for whatever reason, the timestamps are just like crazy. So let's see, on this one at 9:59, so 9:59:10, I lost a 145. I went in on a 59. Where's 59? This is 59, and then by 10:12, yeah. So anyways, I got in somewhere right here. I chopped it up. So that one wasn't too good. I did go long, so I must have caught it on one of these shorts. So I seen that it was going against me, and I was, again today we just wasn't really seeing the market too well, especially once I started like sizing up. But so I had the one trade that I lost. A couple minutes later, jumped in on another trade, made 65, made 50. So I basically made it back. And then 11:04, so I actually waited a while. So I got 10:13, 10:28. Those were a little bit spread out more in this range. I grabbed a little bit off of this, and then it wasn't until 11:15 I came back with another 115 loss. And honestly, I gotta get better at seeing this chop, and we were sitting around VWAP for a while, and I should have just left it alone, should have just waited. But FOMO gets the best of you. You see price movement. I've been actually trying to not be on the 1 minute chart. Like, I like being on the 1 minute chart for entry purposes. Like, it allows you to get a better gauge of where you're jumping in at. But on my trading view, I actually keep it at 5 minutes, just so that way I don't get caught up with the mumbo jumbo. I like to at least see it from that perspective, so I can get a more broader / like accurate view of what's going on. But yeah, so after that, took a couple of small wins. This one was 190. Let's see, at 1131 from 1829, 94, 1829. Yeah, we gotta figure out a better way to do this, man, because this right here, looking at this, is tough. But 1139, boom, and then it ended up getting out. So this one here was a 10-point move, just under 10 points. So, you know, we got a little nice 190 out of there. Had a couple more losses, small gains, but yeah, I think what my issue was is that I just was trying to make something out of nothing during this entire time. So let's see, at 1 o'clock is where things started to get good. Yeah, as you can see over here, I actually started to size up, which is never good, but you know, I had a couple that worked for me. You know, I had a 160 loss. It was at 280, 350. You know, I started feeling confident, and then I had one that went for 610. This one was definitely nice. What was this one at 107. So yeah, I called a short off of 2 contracts at 255. And got out at 240. So I caught most of this move right here, which is pretty cool. That was a nice little spike. And then after that, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in a row where I was winning. So I'm like feeling confident. I'm like, yeah, I'm doing that. Took a 150 loss. Started to get back to the choppy range. And then after that, just started having big losers. So what do? I size up even more. Started to go 4 contracts, and then again I got on a little spree, like 4 in a row, and I lost 3, and then I made a 300. Just really, this one was pretty nice too. This one was at 350, 327, right, 327. So at this point, my take profit trader had already, like, I was about to blow it up, so I was like, oh, I can't trade that anymore. So 327, I did a short. There we go. Yeah, so it was on this candle. So this one here, this one was going pretty crazy at the moment. But yeah, I did it off of 4 contracts, ended up making 600. You know, was just riding the wave with it, and then, you know, things kept going. But again, I mean, you can kind of look at this price action. Granted, this is by the 10, but this, okay, so we got 5. But you can see everything's just basically sitting around VWAP. Nothing's really going on at this point. And I just kept messing around. You know, even after I started to take some more trades when I was up, I should have just sized back down if I wanted to keep trading, but for whatever reason, I just stayed in there. And I was actually up at one point $700, like I said, and just ended up giving it all back to where I actually hit my daily loss limit. So that's unfortunate. You know, now my account is so this is my 4th day trading. This is my first loss on this account, so it's unfortunate, but the account is still alive. Thankful for that daily loss limit that they have in Top Step. Definitely helped me out, but again, I didn't follow my rules, and that's what kind of got me. So it is what it is. You know, like I said in my take profit video, you know, you can't go into the market thinking that you're gonna manhandle it, because market's always gonna win. So it's not about making the market do what you want it to do. It's about making sure that you see what the market presents and it offers you. This one too, oh man, you know, in my other video I was saying I was aiming for only 20 trades, and let me tell you, I did 77 trades on Top Step today. So, I mean, prime example, over trading, not following my rules, chasing the trades. Just did everything wrong today. This is not the best way to start off the week, but again, I still have a pretty comfortable drawdown with this account. So, pull this over here. So, even with that, I still have to go down to 9,000. Let me see if I can refresh this real quick. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That was crazy. So, I'm still at winning days. I'm still at 75, but, now my worst day is even worse than my best day. So, what can you do? But yeah, I mean, overall, I'm still average profitable per trade $2. That's crazy. Average losing trade. Hey, you see, I messed up all my stats today. One thing I do want to work on is trying to get my risk to reward ratio up for sure, because I am definitely making a lot of bad decisions. Either stopping trades early or whatever the case is. But regardless of it, this is not the worst. We're definitely going to make sure that we keep this account alive, and we are going to make sure that we make this money back that we lost today, and we take care of business. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Let me know.
The markets are open.
Oh my God! Look at you. See, they're tempting me. Let me close this. That's crazy. It's already open. Let me make sure. Cancel all. I'm not trying to get caught in any of those trades. But yeah, let me know how you guys did today. Like I said, I'm gonna follow our rules tomorrow, and we are going to get everything back in order. So drop a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.